this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily add a subdomain on GoDaddy. To get started, go ahead and open your GoDaddy account. So in here, what you need to do is to go to the domain section. So in this section, you can find all of the domains that you have on GoDaddy. So what you need to do is to click on your domain. When you're going to click on domain that you want to add a subdomain to, head over into the DNS section. So once this loads, go ahead and head over into the forwarding section under DNS management. So under this, you'll be able to find the subdomain. So click on that add forwarding button, enter your subdomain into the section and create a destination URL. So after you set all of this up, make sure that you actually enter all of the information required for this section and click on that save button. So that will allow you to create a subdomain for your GoDaddy domain. So we need to wait for an hour for this to reflect on our website, and that's basically how you can add a subdomain into your GoDaddy website. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.